Hello teachers, Namaste. Welcome to Gagan Online Academy. In this video, I am presenting you important questions from the chapter Polynomials. Those who are preparing for DSC TET, a school assistant or secondary grade teachers, TGT, PGT, Kendriya Vidyalaya Samiti or Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, right? These questions are highly helpful for preparing these exams. All the questions are arranged in systematic order. That means from basic to advanced level. If you prepare thoroughly all these questions, you get confidence. You do 100% correctly all the questions. Let's begin without wasting your time. First question is, among the following, the polynomial is. We have to select one polynomial from the given equation. Here x square minus 6x plus 4, 5x to the power of minus 6 minus 9x square minus 7, 5x x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 9, and option D is 6 root x minus 10. So here definition is given polynomial. We know in polynomial, index of x must be a whole number. Index means power. Index means power. This power must be whole number. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. Now here we have powers x square. This is whole number, 2 is whole number, 1 is whole number, right? So this is polynomial. Second one. Here index of x is minus 6 given. Negative number is given. X to the power of minus 6. This is negative number. So we must not have negative numbers in the powers of variables. So that's why this is not a polynomial. Here fraction is given. Fractions are not allowed in polynomials. Okay. Only whole number must be there in their powers. So here x to the power of 1 by 3 is given. 1 by 3 is a fraction. So fractions are not allowed in polynomials. So this is not a polynomial. Here root x given. Root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. Index of x is 1 by 2. So this is also fraction. So fractions are not allowed in polynomials. So this is not a polynomial. So x square minus 6x plus 4 is a polynomial. The degree of the monomial minus 3 by 8, p cube, q to the power of 10 and r to the power of 4. This is single term, minus 3 by 8, p cube, q to the power of 10, r to the power of 4. This is a single term. That's why this is called monomial. Mono means single. To find a degree, we have to add all the powers of these variables. See, p, q are variables. They are having powers 3, then 10, then 4. Add all these powers to get a degree. So 3 plus 10, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. 17 is the answer. So to find degree of monomial, we have to add all the powers of the given variable. That's it. Degree of the polynomial xy plus yz square plus z square x cube, right? Xy plus yz square plus z square x cube. So here three terms are there. So this is called trinomial. We have to find separately degree of each term. So degree of this first term is 2 because here index of x is 1, index of y is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Next here index of y is 1, index of z is 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Here index of z is 2, index of x is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. So here for first term we got 2, for the second term we got degree 3, for third term we have power 3, 5 degree. So out of this highest degree is 5. So Degree of this entire polynomial is 5. First option is 5, 4, third option C 2, fourth option 3. So correct answer is 5. So option A is correct. Degree of a biquadratic polynomial. Here biquadratic. Degree of linear equation is 1. Degree of quadratic equation 2. Degree of cubic equation, cubic polynomial or cubic equation, that is 3. Degree of biquadratic expression or polynomial, biquadratic polynomial is 4. So correct answer is 4. Option D correct. Degree of the polynomial 5. 5 is also considered as polynomial because 5 can be written as 5 1 is 5. 5 in the place of 1 I can write x power 0. So index of x is 0. This is degree. So degree of 5 is 0. There must be variable. Here there is no variable means we can create that variable by writing 1. 5 into 1, 5 is 5. In the place of 1, you can write x to the power of 0. So now we got power of x. Variable we have x. So index of x is 0. So this becomes degree. So degree of the polynomial 5 is 0. Zero of the polynomial a minus bx is. Here 0 of the polynomial means x value we have to find out. Here what value gives us 0 by placing a value in the place of x, right? For what value of x, this entire expression's value becomes 0. That is called 0 of the polynomial. See, to find 0 of the polynomial, we have to equate this with 0. Then a is equal to, send this minus bx, it becomes plus bx. Find x value, x is equal to a, this b comes this side b, a by b. So this is in third option, x is equal to a by b. If you place this a by b in the place of x, we get 0. So that's why that is called 0 of the polynomial. Number of zeros of the polynomial x square minus 7x plus 12. This is quadratic equation because its degree is 2. This let us find the two zeros, right? X square minus 7x plus 12. Okay. Before x square, we don't have any number. That means we can say 1 is present. 1 into 12, 12. 1 into 2, 12. For this, write factors, right? 10 for 12, what do we write? 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. Here minus 7 we have to get by adding or subtracting these two numbers. See, if I write minus 4 minus 3, I get minus 7. So this is, after that, to get x values, we have to change their symbols. X is equal to minus 4 becomes plus 4. X is equal to minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 4 and 3 are the roots or zeros of the polynomial. If we want factors for this, you can take these two and write directly. X, here minus 4 is given, so write minus 4. Again write x, here minus 3 given, write directly minus 3. If you want x values or zeros of the polynomial, minus 4 becomes plus 4, minus 3 becomes plus 3. If we have plus, write it as minus. Among the following, a linear equation is, first option is x plus 1 by x. Second option is x plus 1 into x minus 1. Third option is 2 of 2x plus 3. Fourth option is x plus 3 by x minus 2. Here, if we have like this, x power 1, here x power 1. By simplifying, it becomes x into x square plus 1 by x. So in denominator, we have x. In denominator, we have we have x. Okay. In denominator, if we have variables, that won't be a polynomial. That is not a linear equation also. Okay. So this is absolutely wrong. Then if we multiply x into x square, here we are getting 2. That means it is quadratic equation. We want linear equation. So second one is wrong. Third option, 2 into 2, 4x plus 2, 3 is 6. Here x on this x, we have only 1. Index is 1. So if we have index 1, largest index is 1, this is linear equation. In denominator, we have x's. So it is not a linear polynomial or linear equation. The linear equation represents, right? Linear equations always represent a straight line. So this is direct question. If you draw any graph of linear equation, we get a straight line. So this is linear equation. For parabola, if we draw graph of quadratic equation, you get one parabola of this type. Okay, this is parabola. For quadratic equation, we get a diagram of parabola. For linear equation, we get straight line. So answer is 1. The general form of a linear equation in two variables, x and y is. This is one of the standard questions from this chapter. Very, very important for your exam. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation. But here condition given, a not is equal to 0. A not is equal to 0. Okay. Here one more condition also needed, that is b not is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0 becomes, then it will be ax plus c only. Okay. It is in two variables. In the question given linear equation in two variables. That means if we place 0 in the place of b, y, y will be eliminated. Then we left with only one variable x. So that's why this is wrong option. First one is wrong option. Second one, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is right only. But here modulus of a plus modulus of b means coefficient of x and coefficient of y must be equal to 0 given. That is wrong. Must not be equal to 0. Okay. So in third sentence, in option C given, modulus of a plus modulus of b not equal to 0. This is our condition. Then this same condition can be explained as a must not be equal to 0 and b must not be equal to 0. Because if a and b not is equal to 0, then only we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Suppose if we have a value and a and b values are 0, a and b values are 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, then only we left with c only. We must have variables x and y because linear equation two variable given. If we place 0 in the place of x and y, we get all zeros and plus c. So a must not be equal to 0, b must not be equal to 0. Then only we have x's and y's. Okay, two variables must be there. Otherwise, we will lose it. So that's why D option right, C option. See, C and D are the correct answers for this question. The polynomial x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 5. When divided by x plus 1, it leaves a remainder a. That a we have to calculate, find. Okay. Given polynomial is x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 5. Here x plus 1, we have to divide by x plus 1. X plus 1 means here, say x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 1 comes that side minus 1. So substitute minus 1 in the place of x. You will get the remainder. So minus 1 whole cube plus 4 into, in the x place write minus 1 whole square plus 5. In the place of x write minus 1 plus 5. See, if we have -1 -1 in bracket, here odd number is given. 3 is odd power. So for odd powers, we get as it is -1 only, plus 4. Here even power. So we get +1, plus 5 into -1, right, like the as it is, plus 5. -1 plus 4 1 is 4, plus into minus minus, 5 1 is 5, plus 5. -5 plus 5 gets cancelled. 4 minus 1, that is 3, plus 3. So plus 3 is the remainder. So A value is 2, 3. A value is 3.